What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to another video, and we're starting on this side of the garage today. Surprises, right? We're standing where there used to be a Trackhawk. No, I'm kidding, it's here. Today, we're going to be doing something a little different. If you did pay attention to my videos in the past, you'll know that I do have these specific formats. Yes, I know it's a love-hate relationship. You either really like these things or you think that they're horrendous and they're stupid and a waste of money. Either way, I just wanted to show you what I got. I'm going to give it a shot. I'm going to test it out. I'm going to see how I like it. I'm going to see what I think about it because it is a little bit of a different thing. It's not just the typical format that covers the bottom here. It is what they call a full coverage mat. Now, by full coverage mat, what do I mean? Full coverage. So this is going to go here, it's 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 going to go every damn where. So we're going to see what we can do about this. We're going to see how it looks, and we're going to go from there. So let's start setting this up and start laying it out. There's a lot of Velcro strips and a lot of other things with it, so I don't know how it's going to come out or what I really need to do or if I'm going to hate it. So we're going to find out together. So the main piece is going to be this large one. There are Velcro, like I said, everywhere. I'm going to move my trusty handy dandy cart over here to hold the rest of this mess. So, like I said, there are many pieces to this puzzle. Here's another piece. So what I like about this is, like I said, full coverage. Obviously, as things sit and relax, it's going to get better. So let me just put that here so I can see what in the heck I'm doing. It's the first piece down. Once it relaxes, I'm sure it's gonna fit a little bit better. This crease is annoying, and it's gotta chop down. Let's see what the rest looks like. Hopefully better than this. So there aren't any instructions. I gotta tell you, so far I'm not super loving it. I don't know. As you can see, it's gonna have to, I don't know, that kind of looks a little weird, but it's got the cutouts and everything. The reason it's not sticking down yet is because there's no Velcro here. So once it sticks down and it's flush over there, then, you know, that should look better. Same pretty much story over here. I do like that they have a cutout for the speaker. That's cool. And it's all pretty dang precise. So that's nice. But again, a cutout there. The last two pieces, I was trying to figure out what they were for, and then I guess I figured it out, but the backs of the chairs. So I would assume I'm going to put the seat back and then put that down, which will be kind of cool. So it's going to go all the way up. The only other issue I'm going to have if I do decide to do this is there is an anchor down here for my car seats, so I would literally have to cut a slice to still retain that function. We're gonna see how I like it though. Let me put these on the back of the seats. Okay guys, that's it. I can't give my opinion right now. I can't, because it's not finished. And I know you're gonna say, well, this is an incomplete video, knucklehead. Oh, that's ugly, that's horrible. So here's the thing. If you don't have the balls to try new things, you're never gonna know what works, what doesn't work, what you like and what you don't like. So I'm trying a new thing. Haven't really seen it before. I think it's 50-50 with me right now. I'm leaning more toward no, but I'm gonna leave it in here for right now. I just have tape, like regular, like soft tack tape on the top part here, just to push this a little, just for now, just so that we can get kind of a slight visual representation of what the heck is going to happen here. Overall, I'm going to leave it for probably a couple days. I'm going to see if the heat of just sitting here or something is going to relax it and get out this like crease in the middle here. If that comes out, if maybe I got my steamer, I could do that. I don't know. I'm going to research it. Then if that's the case, I'll spend the time to actually put the buttload of Velcro adhesive stuff on. There's a reason they gave you that. It's to get a tighter fit. There are some clips as well, so I will find whatever works best for me. So if there's a way to make it look a little bit better and get it nice and tight and taut, I think it could look better. I'm not against it. I do like the idea of it for a few reasons. Number one, it matches the rest of the flooring. Number two, it is the higher quality diamond stitch. It's more plush, supple, if that makes any sense to anybody that ever owned one of these. The fit and finish isn't horrible. Over here, it's lacking a little bit, but again, this is what videos on the internet are for, so you could see things before you dive into a purchase and make a potential mistake. Or maybe this will push you over the edge and you're like, holy shit, I didn't know this existed. So we're gonna see. Like I said, I do like the fact that there's a cutout for it. This does come with Velcro, so obviously this would be attached there, tighter. I could put a piece of Velcro here. There are gonna be modifications to be made to get it to the point where I'm happy. What I do like though, and it's kind of cool, is once I get this attached here, obviously I'm gonna have to do that, but I like that this is attached to the back seat. So basically what that does is if I have the back seat ever down, which more often than not it's never gonna be because I'll have car seats back here, but if I have the back seat down for whatever reason, it is still a complete floor mat, which is very ingenious. I like it a lot. It still allows for the same functionality of the seats. This still lifts with no problem. Once it's tightened down, even after it comes up and down, it still won't move. So like I said, I have work to do to finish the overall look, but overall I'm just showing you. I mean, you can get the idea you want in your own little mental capacity brain here to decide whether or not you like it just from looking at this. Again, you either love it or you hate it, but again, don't worry about the tape and the fact that it's not contouring everything yet. I know it's stupid and it's counterproductive that I'm not finishing it yet, but for my sake and for me to not hate this so much, I need to drive around and see what happens. I think it's going to be fine. I do like the fact that it is here rather than nothing. I do like this better than the WeatherTech, because the WeatherTech had this like a lip and it really was annoying. It didn't make a whole heck of a lot of sense, but I still have the WeatherTech just in case. Yeah, I mean, odds are if I had to, I could probably put the WeatherTech right on top of this too. I don't know how that would look. Actually, we're gonna find out right now how that would look. It looks just as I imagined it would. Like, total shit. But anyway, this is what I was saying. It has this random lip. I get it that it's supposed to keep spillages in, but it's not form-fitted. You look at this, and it's my trunk. You know, I can lift up Velcro, push, pull, and I'm in. So, like I said, I still got functionality. Everything's Gucci with that, but this is annoying. Another thing I really like about this is it cleans very well. You can condition it with leather conditioner, clean it with leather cleaner. It'll hold up well. Part of me wanted to get the black on black. I'm still on the fence. I would like to know what you guys think. Do you think the black with the red stitching is the move? Or do you think I should go black and black? Do you think the back should stay or the back should go? And also, if the back should go, should I keep the regular floor mats and should I do the regular floor mats in a black on black? Like black stitching, black diamond, everything. So just let me know. I'm curious to hear. That's all I got for you guys today. Stupid little video, doesn't make much sense. Totally incomplete, but it is showing you something you might not have known existed. I will link down below where you could get this. In the options section, you could tell them what color you want, because it only says they come in black on black. I didn't know that until I tried it. And they are discount codes out there, 25% off and such, so it's not too bad. If you're new to the channel, please consider subscribing. If you are an OCD OG, thank you for sticking through all of my madness for over the years. Thank you for sticking by with my lack of video content. Thank you for sticking by with all the craziness. Thank you for sticking by with the lack of entertainment in general, because that's what I am. I am a lack of entertainer. I am an entertainer in lack thereof for you, period. So, that's it. That's all I got for you. I'll see you guys on the next one. Be safe, everybody.